everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we'll take a look at just a beautiful 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Great car, guys. I actually bought this car a couple of years ago from an older gentleman out of Tennessee. Sold it here locally to a guy, Mike. He and I we do some trading about every couple of years. But really good car. Recent body up restoration when I bought it. Matter of fact, I still think there's only like 1,300 miles on the car since it was done. But good car. Like I say, the gentleman I bought the car from, I've actually bought a couple cars from him over the years. He's out of Tennessee, older man. Always has really nice stuff. Always builds stuff to drive it. It's never super radical, and it's always just a good quality car. So good, solid, straight Tennessee body. You can see it's finished in Fathom green. It's got the black vinyl top, white Super Sports deck lid and deck and hood stripes, black vinyl interior. It's got Cragar SS's all the way around it. Actually, when I did some trading with Mike to get this back, he had a set of wheels he had put on this car, so we actually took them off the old car and swapped the Cragars onto this. You know, the best way I can describe this to you guys, it's just a good quality car. You know, good straight body, nice paint, nice interior. It does have the matching numbers motor in it. It's got a little cam to it. Again, you can nitpick some of the trim on it, and there's some little touch-up marks as you go around it. But very, very nice car. So a couple little marks in the SS stripes. I like the car a lot, though. You look underneath this thing, it's just rock solid. This has never been a rusty car. Just a good, straight car. I like the Fathom green, too. The dark green is pretty. Vinyl top's in great shape. The glass is nice. We do have to fiddle with the wipers. I know they did work, and we wouldn't turn them on here, and they're kind of sticking. They're coming on, but they're sticking, so we'll have to check and see why they're bound up. Good car. Little blemish here in the paint. See, the car's nice and straight down the sides. That's just a little, somebody's hands or something, guys. Yeah, just a good car. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're watching that site. I've been buying like crazy. This time of year we can usually get a few cars bought. But I got a bunch of stuff coming. I'll bet you I got 15 cars coming. Disc brakes on the front. Paint's pretty. Just a good car. Again, this is the matching numbers engine. Of course, it's all redone. 350. It's got an Holley dual feed 4-barrel on it. You can see it's got the K&N filter top air cleaner, polished aluminum intake. Really nice set of ceramic headers. Love the valve covers on it. Power steering, power front disc brakes, 350 turbohydramatic trans. Real nice aluminum radiator. Good car, man. Sorry, a little dust in there, guys. We're remodeling that building. Almost done, man. We're probably a few days away. Well, with phase 1. Then we'll start phase 2. Mirrors are nice. You can see the door handles are nice. Here's your original door tag. You know, armrest shows a little wear. New sill plates. Looks like newer carpets. Bucket seats. Console. Sport steering wheel. It's got an aftermarket carbon fiber dash in it with all Autometer gauges. Headliner's nice. Aftermarket radio underneath there. That carbon fiber gauge cluster is cool. Flowmaster dual exhaust, chrome wheel, or Tembo rear end. It's got the chrome Cragar SS's on it. Not a big gear, 323, you know, so no monster gear in it. Definitely something you can drive. So still got your original marks on the quarters. Same thing on this side. Good car. Factory jack with spare. It's all spackle coated in here. I like it. Like I say, just really good car. Real clean underneath. Took some photos of the underside for you so you can get a good look at it. Floors are nice. I mean, just a clean car. I like the 71s too. I like the front marker lights on these cars. Yeah, and everything's a little dusty in the building. I feel we're going to be dealing with that for about 6 months, it feels like. Bucket seats are nice. The console's nice in there. Really just a good car. That Jordy fired up. And like I say, it's got a nice little cam to it, so it scoots. Fires right up. Good tight small block. I'll try to pin this. I think you might have to do this, Jordy. Sorry, guys. $12.95 on your odometer. All your gauges work. I'll come to the other side and you can give it a little rev for that tap. Got a good sound to it. Radio work. Give it a little rev so you can see that tag works. Again, the gauges work. Yeah, radio works, blower motor. Yep. Doors open and close nice. Again, we'll check those wipers. Not really, they're just catching. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I shoot another one of these videos. Pretty car right there, man. It's just got a good look, sits good, and like you say, outstanding driver power. Really hits the road nice.